Okay, let's dive into this explainer on master and vendor management right inside Zoho Books.
Section 1, the payment mystery. Look, we all know the absolute chaos of messy business records. Seriously, have you ever paid a supplier and later wondered, wait, who was that for? Customers bring cash in, but vendors actually keep your business running. Both are absolutely crucial. Section 2, defining your vendors. They're basically the main characters of this whole explainer. Simply put, a vendor is anyone your business buys essential goods or services from. Think internet providers, your landlord, stationery suppliers, or even those freelance professional consultants.
And this brilliantly illustrates the point. Saving a vendor is exactly like saving a phone contact.
Section 3, why tracking matters. Let's look at the actual benefits of logging these contacts. It lets you record bills, manage payments, monitor dues, and instantly generate purchase reports. Section 4, let's move to the setup and see how this builds out practically. Just hit purchases, click new vendor, and punch in their basic contact and company info. So the crucial point is getting exact GST details, because accurate details mean accurate taxes. Seriously, knocking out this tax data right now means future you will definitely thank present you. Next, enter payment terms to automate your tracking and just click Save on the profile.
Now, what's really interesting here is your completed, ready-to-use profile with all those crucial details.
So, with crystal clear payment records, how much easier will your daily operations be tomorrow?